Hello, welcome on new video. Today we're going to talk water in solar panel. It's the middle of July and I'm checking my products rigged now. Come with me and I'll show you around. Classically, error-free panels. All hoax, this panel is experiencing incredible natural elements. It still holds up. Down turned the teeth. I saw that three of the two solar cells are already soaked with water. I don't think I will read anything in a long time. I will just write a script and some rule. It just won't work. I was just showing you the place. The fun is with me. Now let's talk about my beloved panel. This is my only darling among all the panels out there. This panel was developed just for me. He's been here a long time to probably science winter. We all have your own thing that we admire a lot. Maybe it's because I was doing it for myself. Yeah, it's like a mirror. One pretty big mistake. The problem starts with dry solar cell use. This means the insertion between the layers when the first layer is permeable to light and the last one to cover. When you can actually put resin or other similar solution in between. I'm running everyone dry without it. That's why it looks like this. Well, time is running out. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Thank you to my subscribers.